This plant is one of my favorite plant because it has so many health benefits and it is like good for your hair, for your skin. If you eat curry leaves daily, there will be a tremendous growth in your hair and a great shine on your skin. So today's video is about curry leaf tea. So not wasting too much of time, let's start the video. Hey guys, I'm sure you will relate to this one epic line which we all Indians use anytime we go to vegetable market. अच्छा भैया मसालों के साथ कुछ करी पत्ते भी डाल देना, फ्री में उसके पैसे नहीं देंगे हम. Well, jokes apart, before I further proceed in this video, I request all my viewers to watch this entire video till the end because this is going to be very beneficial and useful video for you. And by end of the video, you will be really thanking me for making such a useful video. So in this video, I will be mentioning the top 10 benefits of curry leaf, also how you can consume curry leaf in different ways, and last how to store it for longer time. So here it may sound a bit unbelievable, but according to Ayurveda, curry leaf helps to fight the risk of diabetes type 2 and heart disease, and also it helps to fight the bad cholesterol in our body. In country like India and across the world where every third person is suffering from these kind of chronic disease, consuming curry leaf every day in your diet becomes mandatory. Okay, the second benefit of consuming curry leaf is that you can lose a great amount of weight. Now, weight issues are always a challenge and people go in depression if they are not able to lose weight. So, according to me and with my experience, I feel that consuming 2 cups of curry leaf tea daily in a day and with right amount of exercise and diet, you can reduce good amount of weight. So do you look older than your age because of your grey hair or you have extreme hair fall problem? Then I feel that curry leaf tea is your cure. Also, do you know that consuming 8 to 9 leaf daily is going to give a great texture and shine to your skin? So to make your skin texture better, start chewing curry leaf daily. So fifth and sixth benefit of having curry leaf in your diet is that curry leaf is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which helps you to fight cough and cold. The seventh benefit is that curry leaf is having a rich antioxidant property which helps to fight the free radicals which are present in the body. Now what are these free radicals? These free radicals are one which causes disease like depression and cancer. So I think consuming 1 cup of curry leaf tea daily is going to help you to remove those free radicals. Also, if you're deprived of sleep or having insomnia, then start consuming 1 cup of curry leaf tea at night. Chewing curry leaf or having 1 cup of curry leaf tea daily improves eyesight and cures constipation. So anytime if you're thinking to keep a plant which has a lot of medicinal properties, then I think curry leaf plant should be at your top preference. So this is my curry leaf plant and you can see how the leaf of this curry leaf plant is releasing oil. These are natural oils and this is how healthy and beautiful it looks. So here I will be showing how you can consume curry leaf daily in your diet. So here I am plucking curry leaf from my curry leaf plant, and always remember to pluck the leaf from the bottom of the plant. Do not pluck the leaf from the topmost part of the plant because it is going to hinder the growth of the plant. So here after plucking the leaves, I will be washing it thoroughly in a bowl. After washing curry leaf thoroughly, you have to strain the water and start consuming these leaves one by one. Also remember you have to chew these leaves very properly because then only the oil in the curry leaf will be infused in your body. Another method is detoxify water. Just add few curry leaf in lukewarm water and here is your water ready. The third and most effective method of consuming curry leaf is curry leaf tea. All you have to do is boil some water and add some fresh curry leaves into it. After putting curry leaves, boil it for 5 minutes and slowly you will see that the water starts changing its color. Curry leaf is releasing its green color. This tea is very high in vitamin A, C and E. The best time to consume this tea is early morning as soon as you get up from bed. Do not wash your mouth. Just consume this tea with the collected saliva overnight in your mouth. It will be great for your digestion. Okay, you don't have to throw these stems of curry leaf. You can make a detox water out of it. Just boil the water and boil these stems into it and detox water is ready. Storing curry leaves is very simple. All you have to do is take out all the leaf from the stem and don't need to wash. You will not wash the curry leaf. Take the tissue paper and put all the curry leaf into the tissue paper and wrap it tightly and put it into this airtight container. And then close the lid properly and put it in fridge. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and do click the bell icon. This is Vibha signing off from Money and Vibha Vlogs. Bye.